Welcome to a fascinating exploration of one of our most vital senses, sight. Our eyes are marvels of biological engineering, allowing us to experience the world in vivid detail. But have you ever wondered how this intricate process actually works? From the moment light enters your eye to the instant your brain interprets what you see, a series of remarkable steps unfold. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the anatomy of the eye, discover how light travels and is transformed, and see how our brains create the images we perceive. Let's begin by peering inside the eye to understand its essential parts and their unique roles in the process of vision. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of the eye. Each part plays a crucial role in capturing and processing light. The cornea, the transparent outer layer, focuses incoming light. Just behind it, the iris, the colored part of your eye, controls the size of the pupil, which is the opening that lets light in. The lens sits behind the pupil, adjusting its shape to fine-tune focus and create clear images. At the back, the retina is a light-sensitive tissue that receives the focused light. Finally, the optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. Together, these components work in harmony, setting the stage for the next step, how light travels through the eye. Now let's follow the journey of light as it enters your eye. Light first passes through the cornea, which bends and focuses it. It then travels through the pupil, whose size is regulated by the iris to control the amount of light entering. Next, the lens further fine-tunes the focus, bending the light rays so they converge on the retina. Once the light reaches the retina, millions of specialized cells, rods and cones, convert it into electrical signal. These signals are then sent through the optic nerve to the brain. This seamless process allows us to see sharp, colorful images, whether we're in bright sunlight or dim moonlight. Better understand how your eye works, imagine it as a sophisticated camera. The iris acts like a camera's aperture, adjusting to let in more or less light by changing the size of the pupil. The lens is comparable to a camera lens, automatically changing shape to focus on objects at different distances. This constant adjustment ensures that the images projected onto the retina are sharp and clear. Just as a camera needs precise settings for the perfect shot, your eye's components work together to adapt to changing light and focus needs, allowing you to see clearly in a variety of environments. Inside the retina, millions of photoreceptor cells, rods and cones, are hard at work. Rods are highly sensitive to light and are essential for night vision and detecting movement. Cones, on the other hand, are responsible for color vision and seeing fine details in bright light. Once these cells convert light into electrical signals, the optic nerve takes over. This bundle of over a million nerve fibers transmits the signals from the retina to the brain's visual cortex. Interestingly, where the optic nerve exits the eye, there are no photoreceptors, creating a natural blind spot in our vision. Yet our brains seamlessly fill in this gap, so we rarely notice it. Journey doesn't end when signals reach the brain. The visual cortex processes information about shape, color, motion, and depth from both eyes. It then integrates these details with memories and expectations, constructing a coherent image of the world around us. This complex interplay is what allows us to perceive reality in such rich detail. Our experience of sight is not just a passive reception of data, but an active construction by the brain, making each person's perception unique. Understanding this process highlights just how remarkable our sense of vision truly is. While our eyes are incredibly efficient, they can also develop certain quirks that affect vision. Myopia or nearsightedness makes distant objects appear blurry, often due to an elongated eyeball. Hyperopia or farsightedness causes close objects to be blurry, usually because of a shortened eyeball. Astigmatism results from an irregularly shaped cornea, leading to blurred vision at all distances. Presbyopia is age-related farsightedness, making it difficult to focus on nearby objects. Understanding these common conditions helps us appreciate the importance of eye care and regular checkups. Keep your eyes healthy throughout life. Regular care is essential. Schedule comprehensive eye exams each year, especially as you age. Protect your eyes from harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB. Maintain a healthy diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, zinc, and vitamins C and E to support eye health. If you spend long hours on screens, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. These simple habits can help preserve your precious sense of sight for years to come. You've traveled through the incredible world of vision, from the anatomy of the eye to the brain's interpretation of images. Our eyes are not just windows to the world, they are complex, dynamic organs that work tirelessly to help us experience life in all its color and detail. By understanding how our eyes function and taking steps to care for them, we can preserve this precious sense for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the marvel of sight.